5 to 7 meter. Let's go to our second destination, guys, for the day. Punta na tayo ng Fox and the Firefly Cottages. From now, Jollibee back to. So ito, pag pinasok nyo yan, guys, sa kanan, diretso na yan ang Alola Beach. Island boy and island girl for a while. For a week. Firefly Cottages. King, 100 meters. Good afternoon po.
Additional information lang po. Yung booking po for accommodation only, no meals or breakfast.
Okay po.
We have a restaurant upstairs po. You can visit. It's available from 6:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. But the last order for dinner is 8:30 p.m. And we also have tours since you booked on Firefly for the night. We also have mountain bike, waterfalls, or one-hour stand-up paddle. We also have village tour, community walk. If you would like to book one, you can just approach us in the reception or message us in the WhatsApp. And we also have a river deck at that part. You can sit or...
Dito po?
Yeah, you can sit
Sa
there.
tapat lang po?
Opo, dyan lang. Saka meron
okay.
rin pong rope zone.
Sige.
Maka-provide po kami ng bean bags for you to sit on. You can also eat at the river if you would like. We can set up.
Okay po.
Our reception area will also available from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay.
And our standard checkout time is 11 a.m. Late checkout will be charged 500 pesos per couple. And
Okay.
if you would like to have an early checkout on 17, you need to settle the bills tonight.
Okay po. Hi guys! So, ito pala yung magiging room namin for tonight dito sa Fox and the Firefly Cottages. We booked this accommodation sa Klook at ginamit namin ang aming code to get discount. You can also use our code Mark and Ann Klook sa other activities and hotels na i-book nyo in the future. And there's Ann holding our room key. By the way guys, wala palang aircon dito. Just the electric fan and cool fresh air coming from the outside. So, may gagawin sila ng gamit. Tapos, meron sila ditong first aid kit. And ito yung shower room and comfort room ng accommodation. You can switch to hot and cold water while taking a shower. And with this refreshing ambience. Yung room pala na nabook namin ay Rice Paddy View and this is what it looks like. Let's go mag-firefly watching! Let's go! Saan tayo pupunta?
Let's go to firefly watching kagigising.
Ayun si Kuya. Oh, di ba?
Patulog ka.
May phone ko kayo?
Meron po.
Meron. Mas bago yung phone sa baka mag-picture kayo ng firefly video. Maganda yun.
Mas malinaw.
Para masumuhin mo siya.
Oo, mas clear. Si Emin.
Yes, sign the waiver na. One form each.
Ano summary nito?
Hindi ko na masahin na.
Anong summary nito? Ikaw ba ako?
Ikaw na. For this tour pala guys, you can choose to use a paddleboard or ride the boat going to the Firefly 3 spots. This is also our first time using a paddleboard. Dami.
Yun. Dami din. Ang buwan at parang row, row, row your boat. Ayun na. Hilain na tayo guys. Chill na ako, chill. Chill lang tayo guys, ang hirap tumayo. Baka mahulog pa tayo dyan. Ang galing ni kuya, na tour guide namin. Oh, ang galing din na daddy. Oh, may puno di.
Yan guys, ito na yung service natin. Balik na tayo sa accommodation. Nice experience.
Hello. Hello. Yan, natulog na din. Tinalugan ka.
Uy.
Gising na girl. Girl ba yun, boy? What's your name? What's your name, babe? Huh? What's your name? What's your name? I'm the fox. Hello.
The next day, we went to the river deck. It's just near the reception area, across the road. Ganda dito. Ito yung mga beanbag nilalagay nila. Pag gabi, nililigpit na nila.
Ganda, dyan tayo paddleboard.
Diyan. Ayun yung agos. Oh. Mabilis pag ganun eh.
Pagpabalik ng hirap.
Swim at your own risk. 5 to 7 meter. May mababaw, may malalim.
Pwedeng magigilin.
Oo.